Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new YouTube channel, and I hope you all love the videos that we would be cooking up for you in the future. Today we are going to give a brief video on what is coding. Let's say, have you ever wondered how apps like Instagram, YouTube, or WhatsApp actually works? Or imagine when you press a button in the controller and games like your character in GTA or Minecraft moves, like how do they move? So the answer is actually coding. Today I will explain to you what is coding, how it works, where it is used, and why learning coding can be a great skill for you. So coding is the process of writing instructions that tells a computer what to do. Think of it like a very smart machine that can perform millions of tasks every second. However, it cannot think for itself. It only follows the instructions that you give it. These instructions are written using a very special type of language. These instructions are written using a series of commands. So without coding, computer wouldn't know how to open a website, play a video, or even calculate simple math problems. How does coding work? Now let's see how coding actually works. First, a programmer writes code using a programming language. Next, a compiler or interpreter translates that code into machine language, which is the language that computers understand. Then the computer executes the information or executes the instructions, sorry. Finally, the computer shows the result, also known as the output. So the process is kind of simple. First, you write a code, then the computer translates the code, then run the code, and then the computer shows you the output. There are, as I have said before, there are some special commands for giving instructions in coding. So one of them is Python, which is the easiest language for beginners. It is widely used in artificial intelligence, automations, and data science. Second comes Java, which is commonly used for Android apps and business software. And after that, we can talk about C++ language, which is known for its speed and is often used for creating games and high performance application. And after that, we can talk about JavaScript, which is the language that makes website interactive. For example, like when you click a button, a ripple effect comes along, and that is the language, JavaScript, which gives its magic. Although there are many languages, they all have the same goal, telling the computer what to do. Where is coding used? Coding is everywhere in our daily lives. It is used to build websites like Google and YouTube. It powers mobile apps such as WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, and many more. It is used for developing video games. Coding is also used in artificial intelligence, robotics, data analysis, healthcare, banking, and even space exploration. So whenever you use technology, there is a very good chance that coding is involved. Like actually. So why learn coding? Coding actually helps you develop problem solving skills. It helps you build I would say it helps you build websites, apps, games, and coding skills are in very high demand nowadays, which means there are many career opportunities in software engineering, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, game development, and data science. Finally, coding actually allows you to automate repetitive tasks and make work more efficient. So to summarize, coding is the language we use to communicate with computers. We write instructions, the computer understands them, and then performs the required task. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.